Hello, my lovely family. Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're my savvy and you're watching, thank you for your support. So, Vuyukazi went, you know, she went to take a ride to do, like, allegedly there are rumors saying that she went to take it to do gastric stomach surgery. So I'm not sure if it's a cosmetic surgery or plastic surgery. All in all, cosmetic surgery falls under plastic surgery. So, but it's all surgery, right? It's body modification. So I think she's going to look great, but I don't think there's something wrong with her for her to even go to such extent because guys, gastric stomach is very dangerous. You are limited to eat small amount of food. Like really, all in all, in the end of the day, it's her body, her choices. But I'm just saying that some people will be influenced to go and do it, not knowing the consequences of doing it. It's really dangerous. Until you get that small waist, you need to eat small amount of food, like you. So guys, see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.